everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. You know guys that RAM Plus was a feature that borrows some capacity on the internal storage media as a virtual RAM to store apps that are not in use but are still running in the background. So now I'm gonna show you how to adding RAM on Samsung Galaxy A24. Okay, go to settings and then scroll down and then scroll down again until you found battery and device care. Alright, click the memory and then go to RAM Plus. Alright, now you can use your phone storage space to provide virtual memory. You can also choose more virtual memory to allow more apps to stay open in the background. Alright, click restart and the RAM will extend it. Alright, thank you so much for watching.